बॉबी का ये गाना याद है? ना 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 ना। गोवा, गोल्डन बीचेस, बजिंग फोर्ट्स और क्या नाइट लाइफ। केरला इज गॉड्स ओन कंट्री, बट दी एंडेमन्स ने तो मेरा दिल ही चुरा लिया इस बार. The Andaman Islands stir your soul. Here the Indian tricolor flutters high at the flag point, which memorializes that moment when Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose raised our Indian tricolor flag at this location on December 30, 1943. The historic cellular jail still screams in silence of all the torture and pain that the freedom fighters had to endure for the freedom that we enjoy today. The Andamans echoes the bravery of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and our freedom fighters. But beneath that proud sky, the seas tell another story of crystal clear waters revealing coral kingdoms, swarms of vibrant fish, and untouched marine magic. This is not just a destination, it's a dive into history, honor, and hidden wonders. क्या आपने कभी किसी जगह को महसूस किया है जहाँ समुंदर हर राज को संभाल के रखता है? Welcome to the Andaman Islands, where time slows and stories unfold with every breeze. The cellular jail. यहाँ हर दीवार के पीछे एक कहानी है of courage, pain, and unbreakable spirit. Walk through the cellular jail where legends like Veer Savarkar and Batukeshwar Dutt were imprisoned but never silenced. Evening light and sound show brings the entire torture by the British Empire to life. The brave struggle of our freedom fighters and stories of courage on the concrete walls of the cellular jail is time travel for sure. You will get goosebumps. The walls of the cellular jail and the people tree, which is hundreds of years old, are witness to these atrocities. The pain and cruelty of the empire on our freedom fighters echo within the walls, and animation comes to life. The show keeps you glued to your seats and tears will brim in your eyes. Then there's the Naval Museum, which teaches you things books failed miserably. Kinds of corals, shells, and fish. The history of the native tribes and all kinds of ships of the Indian Navy. And the history of invaders. Now dive into the hidden paradise under the sea. Schools of barracuda, yellowtail snappers, clownfish, butterfly fish, dancing in anemones, brain corals sculpted like ancient temples. और जब एक एटीट्यूड वाली बड़ी ग्रुप ऑफ फिश सामने से गुजरती है ना, it feels like time has just paused to breathe. How about boats hopping islands and racing against each other? Just like the traffic we see in cities, the thrill is in the air. Island hopping here isn't travel, it's bliss therapy. Havelock, Neil, Ross, each island एक नई कहानी, एक नई feeling. Dense mangroves, boats drifting slowly, and birds calling. Explore the mangroves that guard the secrets in their tangled roots. A jungle so quiet, it speaks only in whispers. At Baratang, enter the caves carved by time. They are breathtaking. These rocks speak in shapes and light. These aren't just rocks, they are the island's frozen memories. वक्त ने यहाँ हर पत्थर पर निशान छोड़ा है. From explorers to tribal wisdom, every corner whispers its legacy. You will marvel at the coral bridge. Ocean simmering in golden hues, and here you will see fish and corals growing in small pockets of the beach. You don't need to scuba or snorkel to see these corals. They are right on the beach with the fish scooting around and in them. It's absolutely amazing. And did you know the fish here love biscuits? And then the sunset, रंग जो आपने कभी देखे ही नहीं, saffron, emerald, turquoise at Andamans. Nature becomes art. ये सफर एक छुट्टी नहीं, it's a healing, a rediscovery, a journey for the heart and the soul. Stay tuned, friends. I will be back with everything you need to turn this dream into your next adventure. Hotels, resorts, booking ships, and how to plan this trip by yourself in the most economical way at Wabi Sabi Adventures at 50, because adventure का कोई age limit तो नहीं होता.